If you go to watch a YouTube video, maybe even this YouTube video, and it's in the wrong language, I may be speaking Spanish or a different language that you didn't expect. You can always change that language directly in the YouTube app or on your iPhone within the settings, depending on which one is off. So I'm going to show you both options to definitely get that fixed, and you'll have the right audio or language settings. The first thing we're going to do is check it in the settings of your iPhone. So tap on Settings, tap on General, and then scroll down and tap on Language and Region. At the top here, you can see Preferred Languages, and mine is set to English. If you tap on Add Language, you can choose Espanol, English, you can choose Chinese, French, etc. This is the language associated with your iPhone, and the language in the YouTube app oftentimes will just pull this language. So make sure to change that first, but that could potentially not be your only problem. Next, let's open up the YouTube app and tap on U at the bottom right, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. From here, right under Purchases Memberships, let's tap on Languages. And at the top, App Language, again, that is English because that pulls from my iPhone. But I can also tap on Preferred Languages and choose whatever I want. In this case, I speak English, so I want to choose English. For whatever reason, it is not letting me scroll much here. Might be a little bug in there, but just scroll down until you get to English and then choose that, or in my case, I'll choose English United States and hit confirm. Now, the next thing is potentially there's a wrong language because it's auto-dubbed incorrectly in the YouTube app. So I'll show you an example how to change that language. Let's, for instance, just go to this random video that popped up first. You can see it automatically defaults to English, but if it defaults to a different auto-dub language, you can change that by tapping on the gear icon at the top right and then audio track. And you can see it might have accidentally auto-dubbed it to French or some other language. And you can just choose it to the correct language that you actually speak. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and it legitimately helped solve your problem, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and maybe leave a comment that this was helpful to you. All of those things really help me to be able to grow this channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.